Well, I'm working for my baby. I've been losing around. I got a tidy little whole house. The mess I've been putting down. Well, I've been spending all the money. She won't give me any honey. That's why I've been a slob. Get out and get yourself a job. Well, I gotta start cleaning that dishes too. Wipe the windows in the bathroom and the downstairs too. Well, if I don't get to Annie, she gets a little bit angry. I love her, love her, love her. Working for my baby, I do. I'm working for my baby. I've been on and on. I gotta go to bed early. Can't stay up till dawn. Well, she don't want no more. No fuss, fighting and rolling. If I speak, she just shouts, get out and put the bins out. Don't do no housework. She won't give me no dough. I can't do no drinking. It just goes to show, if you get too lazy, you just can't keep it up, baby. I love her, love her, love her. I'm working for my baby, I do. Well, I love her, love her, love her. I'm working for my baby, I do. Well, I love her, love her, love her. I'm working for my baby, I do. I could have known that you would be my baby. I could have known that you would drive me crazy. My heart's been lonely for a long, long time, but then you came my way. Don't stop running and playing around. You got to stay. I could have known that you would be my baby. I could have known that you would drive me crazy. My heart's been lonely for a long, long time, so please don't change your mind. I could have known. Well, I could have known. I could have known that you would be my baby. I could have known that you would drive me crazy. My heart's been lonely for a long, long time, but then you came my way. Don't stop running and playing around with me. You got to stay. I could have known that you would be my baby. I could have known that you would drive me crazy. My heart's been lonely for a long, long time, so please don't change your mind. I could have known. How could I have known have known, I could have known. If I could have a dream, I wouldn't be so blue. 'Cause I've never seen a girl as sweet as you. But when I go to sleep, I just keep counting sheep. If I could have a dream, I'd have a dream of you, sweetheart. Every day I see you passing, but you don't notice me. It makes me want to cry. I long to see your face when I close my eyes. I wake up in the morning and sigh. Oh, oh, oh. I could have a dream, I wouldn't be so blue. 'Cause I've never seen a girl as sweet as you. If I could have a dream, I'd have a dream of you, sweetheart. If I could have a dream, I wouldn't be so blue. 'Cause I've never seen a girl as sweet as you. If I could have a dream, I'd have a dream of you, my love. I'm speeding down the road on my motorbike, devil on horseback, way out of sight. Highway behind, highway to go, wind through my hair like a racing bull. There she goes, fast down the highway, like lightning. She's an old 48, beauty indeed, state of the art, a lady of speed. I get in the saddle and take the reins from Arizona to the Texas plains. She goes fast down the highway, black lightning. Black lightning. This here bike will never fail, dependable like the U.S. mail. Gets me there, gets me home, gets me to New Mexico. There she goes, fast down the highway, black lightning. Well, you'll never see the likes of me in a quiet town in Tennessee. Just spiking me to 110. Never set eyes on us again. There she goes, fast down the highway, like lightning, fast as she can go. You'll never set eyes on us again. Tell you about a car you got to see. The other day I was down at Just Brace, saw a bright red Cadillac staring at my face. I want that Cadillac, the bright red Cadillac, with the tail lights on the back. Man, I'm telling you, Jack, give me that Cadillac. I want that Cadillac. He wants that Cadillac, the bright red Cadillac, with the tail lights on the back. That I'm telling you, Jack, give him that Cadillac. He wants that Cadillac. I walked around, a tire stack. There was a bright red Cadillac sitting in the back. I want that Cadillac, the bright red Cadillac, with the taillights on the back. Man, I'm telling you, Jack, I want that Cadillac. Give me that Cadillac. He wants that Cadillac, the bright red Cadillac, with the taillights on the back. Man, I'm telling you, Jack, give him that Cadillac. He wants that Cadillac. Roll me the caddy, I'll promise you that. I'll bring it back tomorrow with a chick in the back. If I had me a car that was long and lean, a bright red Cadillac will make the girl scream. I want that Cadillac, the bright red Cadillac, with the taillights on the back. Man, I'm telling you, Jack, give me that Cadillac. I want that Cadillac. I want that Cadillac, the bright red Cadillac.